Nakakainis talaga yung mga internet providers natin, no? Like, minsan ang bagal, kadalasan nawawala yung internet, and ang mahal-mahal pa. Ako personally, yung binabayaran namin is around 1,699 on a monthly basis. And minsan, you'll have to ask like, worth it ba na gumastos nito on a monthly basis? However, since nasa work from home ako, wala akong choice but to pay. Kaya minsan, I ask myself, is there a way na maging libre yung internet natin? Well, actually, there's a way. And you can do this by being a dividend investor. Kung saan, you invest in the Philippine stock market tapos naghahanap ka ng mga stocks na nagbibigay ng regular dividends. And isa sa mga stocks na you can invest in is actually PLDT. So you can invest in PLDT. Kung saan, currently, as of this video, PLDT is given around 7.46% in dividends per year. Meaning, kapag yung monthly namin is 1,699, if meron lang akong capital na 273,000, okay, around 273,000, invest in PLDT at 7.46% in dividends, we will receive around 20,388 pesos in dividends annually. Divide natin yan by 12 months, you'll get 1,699 pesos on a monthly basis. Meaning, yung dividends mo, pwede na pangbayad sa internet connection mo. Basically, maging libre na yung PLDT mo. Well, yung tanong, meron ba tayong capital na gano'n? How I wish meron para maging libre na yung internet bill ko. But basically, it is possible. Anyway, if you're interested to learn more about investing in the stock market, especially being a dividend investor, check out the link in the description below or in the comment section.